This video takes a look at biodiversity and conservation efforts in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, spans approximately 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 South American countries, with the majority located in Brazil. This vast expanse of tropical rainforest is renowned for its unparalleled biodiversity, hosting about 10% of the world's known species. Its ecological significance and the ongoing conservation efforts to preserve this vital ecosystem are topics of immense importance. The Amazon's biodiversity is staggering. It's home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The forest shelters around 2.5 million insect species, tens of thousands of plants, and approximately 2,200 fish species. Birds, mammals, and amphibians also flourish here, with species such as the jaguar, harpy eagle, and poison dart frog representing the rainforest's incredible variety. This biodiversity is not only fascinating, but crucial for the planet's health. The Amazon acts as a carbon sink, absorbing a significant amount of the world's CO2 emissions and thus helping to mitigate climate change. Additionally, the rainforest influences global weather patterns and supports countless local communities that rely on its resources for their livelihoods. Despite its ecological importance, the Amazon faces numerous threats. Deforestation is the most significant challenge, driven primarily by agricultural expansion, logging, and mining. Each year, large swaths of the forest are cleared for cattle ranching and soy cultivation. Illegal logging operations also contribute to the loss of critical habitats, further endangering the wildlife that depends on the forest. In response to these threats, numerous conservation efforts are underway, spearheaded by governments, non-governmental organizations, or NGOs, and indigenous communities. One of the most effective strategies has been the establishment of protected areas. National parks and reserves aim to preserve large sections of the rainforest, preventing deforestation and maintaining biodiversity. For instance, Brazil's Amazon Region Protected Areas, or the ARPA program, has successfully safeguarded millions of hectares of rainforest. Indigenous communities play a vital role in conservation efforts. These communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon for centuries, possessing intricate knowledge of its ecosystems. Recognizing their land rights and involving them in conservation initiatives has proven beneficial. Projects that empower indigenous peoples to manage their territories help protect the forest while supporting cultural preservation and sustainable development. Another critical aspect of conservation is reforestation and restoration projects. Initiatives like the One Tree Planted organization focus on planting trees to restore degraded areas of the Amazon. These efforts not only rebuild habitats, but also sequester carbon, aiding in the fight against climate change. Scientific research and monitoring are also pivotal in conservation. By studying the Amazon's flora and fauna, scientists can better understand the impacts of deforestation and climate change on the ecosystem. Advanced technologies such as satellite imagery and drones are increasingly used to monitor deforestation in real time, enabling quicker responses to illegal activities. International cooperation is essential in preserving the Amazon. The rainforest's health is a global concern, and various international agreements and collaborations aim to address this. The Paris Agreement, for example, emphasizes the importance of forests in climate mitigation strategies. Additionally, foreign aid and investment in sustainable development projects in Amazonian countries can provide the financial support needed for effective conservation. However, conservation efforts face numerous challenges. Political and economic pressures often undermine environmental policies. In some Amazonian countries, regulations protecting the forest are poorly enforced, and corruption can hinder conservation initiatives. Balancing economic development with environmental preservation remains a complex issue, as many communities depend on activities like agriculture and mining for their livelihoods. Innovative solutions and sustainable practices offer hope. Agroforestry, which integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural systems, is one such practice that can reduce deforestation while maintaining agricultural productivity. Ecotourism also provides a sustainable economic alternative, allowing local communities to benefit financially from the rainforest without harming it. Public awareness and education are crucial in driving conservation efforts. Campaigns that highlight the importance of the Amazon and the threats it faces can mobilize global support. Consumer choices also matter. By opting for sustainably sourced products and reducing meat consumption, individuals can lessen the demand for deforestation-linked commodities. In conclusion, the Amazon rainforest biodiversity is a priceless asset to our planet, and its conservation is of paramount importance. While the threats it faces are significant, ongoing efforts by governments, NGOs, indigenous communities, and international collaborations offer hope. Through a combination of protected areas, indigenous empowerment, reforestation, scientific research, and sustainable practices, we can work towards preserving this vital ecosystem for future generations. The challenge is immense, but with concerted effort and global commitment, the Amazon can continue to thrive as a cornerstone of Earth's biodiversity. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe.